Before I begin, I just want to disclaimer, do not do this without parents' permission because it could get messy. Right. Hi guys, Mr. Dalton here, and I'm back with another video. So today, we've got our final carnival game, and you will see why I've left this one till last, because it could potentially get a bit messy. We are going to be focusing on our throwing and our catching skills, but we've got to really cushion our catches because today we are going to introduce some eggs. Yes, you might want to you can do this with water balloons, or you can just do it with a ball if you want. I'm just trying to add that element of fun, that almost element of risk and danger to make this exercise more exciting and thrilling. So I'm going to get an egg out. What I've got to do is I'm going to throw it up and catch it, but I'm going to start with one clap, then 2 claps, 3 claps, and build it up. And I've got to see how many I can get without cracking the egg. Eggs will get cracked in this, so I've got a few spare in case. You guys can challenge your parents, your mums, dads, brothers, sisters to this to see who can get the most claps without cracking the egg. Alright, so here is my attempt. Hopefully no one is watching because this could be A, embarrassing, and B, could get me into some trouble for making such a mess. Right, here we go. Our final carnival game. Hopefully you enjoy it, guys. Here we go. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. I must say you don't have to go as quickly as I am. Take your time. You could do it that you do 1 and then your parent does 1, or whoever you're playing with does 1. And then you do 2 and then they do 2. And then 3, 3, and so on and so forth. You could do it in a 4-way cycle. So you do 1, your sister does 1, your mum does 1, your dad does 1, and you do 2, 2, 2, 2, and so on and so forth. Here we go, so I'm on 5 now. Oh, I think we're nearing danger zone. Now I'm on 6. Oh, you gotta really cushion those catches. I reckon we've got a few cracked eggs by now. Now I'm on 7. Oh, that was close. That was very close. Oh, that was 8. I really think this next one might be panic stations. So 9 now. Oh, I didn't count that one. I think I did 9. We'll try 10 anyway. Here we go. Ready? Oh, I did it. I did it. If you want to see it, if you want to slow that down and see if I actually did 10, I promise you I did. 11 now. Ah, only 9 there. So I haven't moved past that stage, so I've got to try 11 again. Oh, I thought that was going to be it then. I did just get 11, but I think 12 is going to be a real struggle. No! Oh dear. Cracked the egg. But I absolutely love that game. I will be sure to clean that up. And then you can do, if you've got a spare egg, to keep it in theme. If you want to say the loser gets eggs all over their face, feel free. Oh, I certainly regret that one. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed Carnival Week. Hopefully you've had a messy, fun end to it. I'll be back as normal next week with some more lesson plans. I'm back at school, so yeah, I can get some more lesson plans to you, some more active 10s to you, and hopefully get back to normality sooner rather than later. But in the meantime, take care, stay safe, you're all doing so well, keep up the good work, and hopefully you've enjoyed Carnival Week. Stay safe guys, bye!